What is a smart home hub?
A smart home hub is a device that connects and controls various smart devices in your home. Think of it as a central command center, letting different gadgets like lights, thermostats, locks, and sensors communicate with each other. With a hub, you can manage everything from one app or interface, making it easier to automate and streamline your smart home experience.
Why would you need a smart home hub?
A smart home hub simplifies the control of multiple smart devices. Without one, you might have to use a different app for every gadget. With a hub, you can create routines, like turning off lights and locking doors with a single command. It also helps devices from different brands work together, improving your home's convenience and efficiency.
How does a smart home hub work?
Smart home hubs communicate using technologies like Wi-Fi, Zigbee, or Z-Wave. They act as translators, allowing devices that use different languages to understand each other. When you give a command, either by app, voice, or automation, the hub sends instructions to each device, making everything work in sync, even if they're from different manufacturers.
Do you need a hub for every smart device?
Not every smart device requires a hub. Many newer products like smart bulbs or speakers can connect directly to your Wi-Fi and be controlled with a smartphone app. However, if you have many devices or want to automate actions across different brands, a hub can make control more seamless and reliable.
Popular examples of smart home hubs.
Some of the most well-known smart home hubs include Amazon Echo, Google Nest Hub, and Samsung SmartThings. Each has its own strengths, such as voice assistance, compatibility with a wide range of devices, or advanced automation features. The right hub depends on your needs and the devices you want to connect at home.